Welcome to a video review of the Wurkkos T1 tactical and outdoor flashlight. This is a 21700 lithium-ion battery format flashlight with a Cree XFLSNA LED with a claimed brightness of 5500 lumens and 415 meters of throw. There is also a red, green, blue and white floody side LED, USB-C charging port, rotary and two-stage tail switch user interface. The head needs to be unscrewed to remove the battery. The user interface has a rotary switch for tactical, outdoor, side light and lockout modes. For tactical mode, a half click is momentary turbo, a full click is momentary strobe. For outdoor mode, a half or full click is on. Half click steps through 5 brightness modes with last mode memory. A long half click from off enters moonlight mode. For side modes, a long half click enters red mode. A full click enters strobe modes, with a half click to step through the modes. In any mode, a full click from on always goes to off. A half click from off enters side light modes, where further half clicks advance through the colours, and a long half click changes brightness levels. Moving outdoors, we step through low, medium, high and turbo modes. Turbo mode lasts for around 45 seconds before step down. High, about 5 minutes. The tested brightness was pretty close to claimed brightness, though I think the throw was slightly less than claimed. Unfortunately, strobe mode has an alternating frequency strobe, which isn't good for light painting photographers who like constant frequency strobes. This light painting was created on high mode. Next we briefly look at eco mode, followed by white, red, green and blue side light modes, all on high. The side light modes have a pretty decent brightness, certainly the red mode would be quite useful for astrophotography. The lowest side modes and moonlight mode are all sort of dim enough to be able to be used without waking people up in a tent. Finally, we look at one of the side light disco modes. Overall, the Wurkkos T1 is a fantastic flashlight for multi-purpose tactical and outdoor uses. If you like this review, please like and subscribe. Many more tech reviews are on my website. Thank you for watching.